What is going on, CH family? My name is Caden Hare. I'm the CEO of Coach Hayward. And today what we're going to be going over is part 4 of our 3 weird ways to lose weight series. So, number 1, chew gum. That is true. When you chew gum, for some reason, which I have no idea why, I'm guessing maybe it keeps you full or something like that. I have no idea about this one, but when you chew gum, you're more likely to lose weight. Alright, so jumping into number 2. Number 2 is pop some pills. Now wait, not drugs kind of pills, not any of those kind of pills. I'm talking vitamins. When you are more likely, when you take multivitamins, for some odd reason, you're more likely to lose weight. So, make sure you go down to the store, get that multivitamin, and start taking it. I personally think everyone should be taking one, but I guess you're more likely to lose weight too when you do. Win-win situation. All right, let's move on to number 3, the final one. Number 3 is take away the guilt. All right, if you end up binge eating, if you end up going all out one night and just ordering that Uber Eats, that McDonald's, that sushi, whatever it may be, don't feel guilty. You know why? A lot of time, a lot of you, and I mean a lot of you, struggle with stress eating, emotional eating. You know, carbs are our comfort food. So, when you feel guilty after having a bad day or a bad weekend, etc., what's going to happen is that you're going to want to stress eat, therefore eat more. So this is something I actually do with my clients too, is remove that guilt and just be able to support them and help them work around the mess ups. And that way it's realistic, it's flexible, and you are more likely going to win in the end on your weight loss journey. So, that is what I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed the 3 weird ways to lose weight series, make sure you leave some love below, comment, subscribe, whatever you gotta do, and have a great day. I'll see you next time.